Hey gang, my name's Chris and I'm your friendly neighborhood support Jedi with Sprout Apps. Today I'm going to help you get started by showing you how to install and activate your new plugins and also how to add your license keys. So first off, you're going to navigate to your account page, which is at sproutapps.co/account. So go ahead and log in there and you want to head to the Downloads tab. Now here you should see a list of all your plugins that you purchased and that are available for download. So if you click on these download links, it should start downloading the .zip files to your computer. Now some operating systems will try to automatically unzip these files after you download them, smack them on the wrist and say, we need these as .zip files to upload to your site. So next, log into your WordPress admin, which should just be your site /wp-admin. Once you've logged in, you can click on Plugins on the left-hand side. Now this should show you a list of all your currently installed plugins. You'll also see Add New at the top left. So go ahead and click that bad boy. Give yourself a pat on the back for making it this far. Now here, you will be able to search and download any number of plugins for your site. However, you've already got the most important ones, which are, of course, Sprout Apps. So click Upload plugin at the top left, choose File, find the file you're looking for, open, then click Install Now if you're feeling frisky. Now once it's finished installing, you'll have the option to activate it. So do it. Seriously, do it. Alternatively, you can install new plugins via FTP. Now this can sometimes actually be a preferred method to avoid some of those pesky errors that may happen when uploading via WordPress. To upload via FTP, you first will need an FTP client. For our purposes, we recommend FileZilla, which is free for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So if you go to filezilla-project.org, you can download FileZilla for freezies. So once you have that installed, you're going to click and open FileZilla. It will ask you to connect to your website using your FTP login credentials. So official and fancy. Now, your FTP login credentials are sent to you via email when you sign up for your WordPress hosting account. You can also find your FTP account information in your hosting account's cPanel dashboard. Now, if you can't find these credentials, you can contact your hosting provider and get that information. Once you have the login information, you need to open FileZilla and then go to File Site Manager. This will bring up a pop-up window where you can add your website information. Click on the New Site button and provide a title for your website. In the next column, you'll be asked to enter your host, which is usually your domain name, and then a port number. Now in the protocol section, you want to make sure you select SFTP if your hosting provider supports it. Under the login type field, select normal and then enter your FTP username and password. You can then click on the connect button to continue. Once connected, you'll see the list of files and folders on your website under the remote site column. Under the local site column is all the files on your computer. So go ahead and browse the local site to find the plugin that you downloaded. Now you remember that it was a .zip file and you swore you'd never unzip it. Well, now's the time to break that promise. And it's okay, you have my permission. So once you have it unzipped, you'll be able to upload it to your site. However, WordPress needs certain files and folders in specific locations to work properly. This means you can't just willy-nilly upload a file anywhere. You need to know where to upload a file in your WordPress site. Now for plugins, WordPress looks for those in the WP content folder under plugins. So once you've navigated to there, you can right-click on the unzipped file in your local site directory and click Upload. Now, once you've done that, it will begin transferring to your WordPress site. Now, once you've uploaded the plugin, you need to visit the plugins page inside your WordPress admin area to then activate the plugin. And you did it. Don't you feel smart? Lastly, I'm going to show you how to activate your license keys so you can get the most out of your Sprout Apps purchase. First, you can locate your license key in the same place you downloaded the plugins. You remember where that was? Probably not, so I'll show you again. Just kidding. I love helping you. Go to your account page at sproutapps.co/account. Click the Downloads tab, and you should see a link for your license key. Go ahead and click that, memorize it. Don't you dare use copy and paste like a normal human, and then head back to your WordPress admin. Now, once you're there, you can hover over Sprout Invoices at the bottom left and click on General Settings. Now here, you should see a big empty box just begging for your license key. So go ahead, enter it in from memory since you followed my directions and didn't use copy paste, and you're done. Now it's time to treat yourself to something special because you've put in a full workday just doing this. So hey, take the rest of the day off. Tell your boss I said it's fine. Thanks for watching and supporting Sprout Apps. Happy invoicing, nerds.